Hola chicas malas, welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating a makeup look that's as fresh as your grandma's cucumber salad. Yep, you guessed it, a cucumber melon inspired makeup look. Everybody else is doing the clean girl makeup trend, they're doing the dirty girl makeup trend, they're doing the do-yin makeup. But we are already on the cucumber melon aesthetic over here. Okay, so first up, we're going to make the eyes as fresh as a spa day. I'm starting with a light creamy green eyeshadow. Think of it like the cucumber on your face, but for your eyelids. Light and cool, but with just enough oomph to make your eyes pop. Blend it all over the lid. If you accidentally get some on your brow, just tell people it's artistic. Step 2 is soft definition, so apply a slightly darker shade to the crease. Now I'm taking a slightly darker greenish brown shade. You could also do orange and blend it into your crease. We're creating some definition here, but let's be real, nothing too intense. I want this look to say, I woke up like this, but in the best way possible. Soft and natural, like the cucumber in your water. Now I am going to highlight the inner corners using a shimmery highlight. So we're gonna brighten up the inner corners of the eyes. You can also bring this down to the lower part of your eye as well if you don't want to show your eye bags and you kind of want to just highlight that area. So let's brighten up the inner corners with this soft pearly shimmer. This is your secret weapon to looking like you actually slept last night. No one has to know that you stayed up watching TikTok until 2 a.m. Let the sparkle do the talking, okay? So let's blend the shimmery pearly eyeshadow in. Now I'm just going to add a very thin line of eyeliner. Nothing too crazy. I'm not trying to look like a raccoon here. We're keeping it subtle, more like a soft definition, like a cucumber slice gently resting on your eyelid. Perfect. Let's finish up these eyes with some mascara. I want full lashes, but not clumpy lashes. It's like the cucumber melon facial mist, refreshing, light, not over the top. So I'm gonna apply the mascara generously, but like in a classy way. All right, let's move on to the cheeks. I'm going for a soft peachy pink blush because if a cucumber melon salad was a blush, this would be it. So apply to the apples of your cheeks. Remember, we're going for a fresh out of the spa vibe. We're not going for I just ran a marathon. This is the spa vibe, okay? This is the spa aesthetic. And now I'm gonna add a glowing highlight. I'm using a soft golden highlighter to hit the high points of my face. We're aiming for a natural dewy finish, not a disco ball. I'm just nice and glowing because I drink a lot of water and I eat my vegetables. That is my vibe. I'm a cucumber melon princess. To finish off, I'm keeping it simple with a tinted lip balm. Nothing too heavy or dramatic. Think of it like a nice, hydrating cucumber melon smoothie, but for your lips. It's soft, it's subtle, it's not gonna get stuck in your hair on a windy day. So you can do Vaseline mixed with your favorite eyeshadow color of choice. You could also mix in some gloss. And that's it, a fresh, cool cucumber melon inspired makeup look that's perfect for summer. Or, let's be real, anytime you want to look like you've had your life together for at least 5 minutes. If you loved this tutorial, hit that like button, comment your favorite refreshing fruit, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more makeup looks. I love to do makeup that's inspired by fruit. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you can see me create more looks. And I'm gonna be taking my IG photos now and posting them on my Instagram. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. All right, that's all for today. Stay fresh, stay fabulous, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.